am ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we do want how to design this tangent model Onshape CAD software. Well, before that, let's up to few watch and how does it works. As this type of model is more commonly observed in social media, right? So, in this today's video, we will going to design this and also assemble it as well. And it is not a touchable hard disk, it is a pretty easy one. So without any getting late, let's start the video. Okay? So let's take a look actually you'll say that's doing. That's doing that's not so even might go out the work. Okay? So for now, create the setting. Till then, we actually going what you want. Let's go with the 4 pointers. And we don't do the complete circle, right? So image it and add a line to the dimension like this. Or automatically don't. That will also be automatically. Right? And now, what do we need? This is the center part. We need some more thing, right? And what did we do? Well, there should be a companion factor, right? So for that, I'm going to use the center point because I don't want the complete up, right? So center point work, we it's center part out. There's the center. And sorry, before that, we need a tangent. We need to go out here, right? So you dimension how much ball wearing you want, and that you get the orange. Okay? Now you need the finger to rotate. So just drag it in the front position to want to bounce that to it. Now you dimension to it. Let's do digit string and draw lines to practice. And draw the imaginary as well. Why I drawn this? Because to maintain angle. So which I want to add any modifications, it would help. So that's why we have this line. Now what we need to build it says, yeah. Okay. Now what long we have to think? Do you think this standard is enough? I don't think so. That's sound pretty good this. And here we need to add a note because it should be that. That's the domain and start with that. We need a header, right? New dimension, much to for this. There's one. And we need another one. Why so? Because let's add it. Because rotate it, right? Well, for that, let's set the word triangle is suitable for rotation. Right? Lines need it. And you are about wanted or maybe point is okay. And the pistons and when it let's keep it at the bonus point to five and in the other one the box we did a frame for this. So that just simply from this close. Make sure this what I've talked about here. Okay. Make sure it was in why I'm going to draw like this. You will understand better. Okay. Now view the images. That's by my image. And it's very straight. That's fine. Okay. And also view the image conditions out. So the code was it's got three. And Ron and Jira doing some point that's and you've started it out. Well, let's give away the point. Well, sure. now finish the sketch. Now the successfully under the sketch. Now let me explain what we can do. Then that the tool, extrude this. Okay, make it asymmetric. Make sure it should be more than 1. Okay, let's give friends 1 point. Okay, this is going to sketch again. Now, what do we do is to side the part. So together and we'll forward the one thing. You want to make the bar saying H here X, right? After the part in blue, so then I work for that. Now let's go to the white storage. Take the storage section, send the out one side of it, and the word it. Make sure it should be a new part. Okay? What we need to do is we need to add the frame. So before adding the frame, and just one location. That's everything I want, because in showrooms that this should work better than getting this one. Right? Give it a select this. Now, same as before, the self extra tool. Now I'm going to use thing. Okay. Actually, it should be asymmetric. Now for the video. Right. So as change the direction like it here. Alright, interesting fans. I have the total 1 is enough for a win. And also issue 3. Getting point now, no point 5. Let's give it as a point. Okay. Press OK. Now again, select sensor, and you only need it frame. Select frame. And make sure this work quick. And make sure the direction of thickness is pause and shoot push for touch, right? That's either on 1.5 and it be good part. Okay, that's it. What probably meant is this one. Do it. I have one thing for you. This point you to white tool because it is easy. The performance like this as point 1. It's dark. Okay, it's not what you want. Point 5 with the right. So that's it. So what we have to do is something in this right. In case when you work with this, there should be a path behind this. Here, right? Just like here, only observe. Here. So further, just hide this part for now. Okay, that'll display and draw the circle. Okay, now set the speed tool, set the sketch, and set the part. And we are going to remove. And it's also in the board because there's stuff in this part out. So, something for the one. So, the back rules, and we can press the text. Since it's configured shape right? Now we don't need our sketch anymore. That's I look. Now let's use the Boolean tool. And match the parts. Okay? It's 1, 2, this one. And press OK. Now we need to do another Boolean tool. Okay? How to do it was, let me show you. And you might have the friend is cloud. We had before. the part gets a curl frame, but here it is set. Whenever the frame base is still got no school is changed. Okay? So you can put it in again, and this part. So they're going to separate the parts, right? Separate this part and this part from the state. And what do we do? Just get chip tools and that's it. Finally inside the part. Now we are going to do the assembly. Or we can do the assembly and make sure you should the moment the distance is between them. Okay? Let's bring the assembly new parts. Pull up the assembly and import the part and go to assembly service. We have 3. Alright. So 3 right out. And let's do the frame. The parts should not move. Now use the mechanism back there. Here we need only 3 meat connectors, 2 revolve and 1 tangent. Okay? So here we're going to use the term revolve. So we did a revolve 2 and and offset with 1 to 1. Now it's on the page. And here we have to do the same. But you don't do it just yet. That is going to anything really one distance of your point being like which like this don't get push one. I'll start some errors. And next it'll move to the whole percentage. Okay. Now what to do? We're going to tangent this edge to this ball. That's okay. Now since it's in rotating tank that the bird on this okay. That's what thing means. So we snap this one. We are going to make okay. So the modifier pairs. Just simply edit this page and then off line building which for the art. Actual tissue with tones of the topics. All things joining. Yes, the show and all. Okay, that's okay. And when you with a solution with a steady state, then show the sketches is green. This now feels that it's perfect. Okay. Yeah. Things that I beat what? But don't you think it's so much? But that kind of solution. What instance in this page? Let's reference the statistics. What there's we need to reduce the distance on it. It's like but it you must be know aware of the systems assessment. Yes, Mr. Symbol. Currency showing some error. So we assemble everything. Set everything. And let's open the animation and see how does it works. How does it work? If you have solved, it is clearing the whole the band shape is working. Well, let's use as a menu. How they should work. It's clearing at minute. Okay. I hope you can understand this tutorial, guys. If you really like it, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And finally, sorry for the delay in the videos due to the other starting of works I wasn't able to do. But I hope this video will make you satisfied and push our channel forward. And thanks for watching, guys. Soon I will make all videos regularly and get back to your writing in. Thank you and have a nice day and for watching. Bye-bye.